fare you well.
I'm broke and ain't got a dime. I'm broke and I ain't got a dime. I'm broke and ain't got a dime. Everybody gets it hard up sometimes. I was standing on East Cairo Street one day. I was standing on East Cairo Street one day. Standing on East Cairo Street one day. One dime was all I had.
This is Heather, who works at the Henry Ford and Claire Estate, and she's learning how to drive a Model T.
Mama, don't treat your daughter mean. Mama, don't treat your daughter mean. Mama, don't treat your daughter mean. That's the meanest woman a man must ever see. You want your friend to be bad like Jesse James. You want your friend to be bad like Jesse James. You want your friend to be bad like Jesse James. Get 262's highway, some faster train. One dime was all I had. One dime was all I had. One dime was all I had. Trying to be a sporty lad. I bought that morning New York.
I will sing a little song, but it ain't very long, about a lazy farmer wouldn't hold his corn, and why it was I never could tell, for that young man was always well. That young man was always well. He planted his corn on June the last. In July it was up to his eye. In September there came a big frost, and all that young man's corn was lost. All that young man's corn was lost. He started to the field and he got that last. The grass and the weeds was up to his chin. The grass and the weeds had grown so high. Called that poor man for to sigh. Called that poor man for to sigh. Now his courtship had just begun, saying, young man, have you hoed your corn? I've tried in vain, but I don't believe I'll raise one grain. Don't believe I'll raise one grain. Why do you come to me to wed if you can't raise your own cornbread? Single I am and will remain, for lazy man I won't maintain. Lazy man I won't maintain. He hung his head and walked away, saying, kind miss, you rule the day that you was born. For give me the devil, cause I wouldn't hold my corn. Give me the devil, cause I wouldn't hold my corn.
The buildings up on the hill are in the backside of some of the portions of the district of Red Brick Building, West Street.
Now his courtship was to an end. On his way he then began, saying, kind miss, I'll have another girl if I have to ramble this big wide world. If I have to ramble this big wide world.
The large complex we're approaching is the Henry Ford Academy of Federal Relations over 500 County.
had a talking picture of you, I would run it every time I felt blue. I would sit there in the gloom of my lonely little room and applaud each time you whispered, I love you, on the screen the moment you came in view. We would talk the whole thing over, we two. I would give 10 shows a day and a midnight matinee if I had a talking picture of you.